right, we're going to put the ring around our initials. So insert, other, my Onshape, fancy cube, initial ring. Create a new version, create, Part Studio 1, and set him down out there. Green check mark. Okay, so the reason that we left a flat surface on here is so that we could mate it to the flat surface of our top face. So I'm going to planar, I'm going to zoom in here, and I want to make sure I get this flat surface. Click. Oops, didn't click. Come on, click. There we go. And then I'm going to come over here and choose the flat surface of our top face. So I want to make sure, and when you're over here doing this, you want to make sure you're not grabbing your initials, otherwise they'll be floating in the air. Check. It's facing the wrong direction, so I'm going to spin it around and green check mark. Okay, I'm going to move him, but you can see that they're both connected. When I go to the right face, they're always going to be connected because those two faces have been mated together. Oops, turn it around isometric so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to do a cylindrical mate with our two circles. So, oh, look at that. I can grab that back circle without having to turn it around because it's only one surface there. You just want to make sure you're grabbing the right one and not one of the big circles here. We want just that little circle. Okay, clicking that one, and I want to come over here and I want, oh, arrow key, let's see, arrow, and we want the back one, not the center one, we want the back one. There's the center one, there's the top one, we want the back one. Click, and if I spin this and we look, they're lined up the way they should be. So, one more cylindrical mate. We're going to come in here, we're going to choose that cylinder that's on the back there. I'm going to zoom in down here. Remember, it will zoom where your mouse is. And we want, there's my cylinder. I want the back one. Click. And it should line up. And there we go. And look at this. Look at this craziness. My letters have bumped into my circle. But you know what? That's okay. That just means I made my, the capital letters are too big. It's all right. I'm going to let that go. It's okay. So there we go. Planar mate and two cylindrical mates. Good luck on yours.